Are you ready? Again! I just made the ultimate power bank.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Yeah, I know, another power bank video. But I guess I made mine a little bit different. For the components we will need 2 LiPo batteries which I took from a broken computer, this circuit that will be the brain of this project, tiny voltmeter to monitor the voltage, and the case that I designed. This is the main body of the case. This is the bottom cover, and this is the top cover, which I already inserted a push button in it. And last but not least, some nuts.
These nuts?
Now solder the 2 batteries together in parallel, and then solder the negative to the negative and the positive to the positive of the circuit, just like I did here, and watch out for the reverse polarity. And this is it, guys, as easy as it looks, otherwise I won't be doing this project. And in case you are wondering, I left some holes in the body for the wires to come through. Now push the batteries into their places, they will fit perfectly. Now close everything down. And that's it, guys. It's not hard to make, but it's very useful and portable, and it can easily fit in your pocket, and I'm already using it.